By the end of this video, you're going to learn how to build an AI sales prospecting agent using Zapier Central and the Zapier Central Chrome extension. This is going to save you a ton of time in your sales prospecting workflow, going from a LinkedIn search page to fully written, personalized email drafts that you can send to these prospects. I think you're going to be pretty surprised by how powerful Zapier Central is. So we're going to go back into Zapier Central. I'm in my test bots chatbot. You can go into any of them that you want and go into behaviors. And we're going to open up behaviors and we're going to create a new one for you. But I'm going to go into the behavior that I've already created called email extractor. So what I'm going to do is start this behavior when I message the bot, and the trigger phrase here is going to be draft emails. So that's going to be the trigger phrase there. And then what I'm going to do is add specific actions to this behavior. So you can go ahead and click add action, and I want you to search any mail finder. That's what it's called. Any mail finder. Now, I think there are other apps that would give Zapier this similar functionality, but this is the one that I tried out and it worked. So any mail finder, you're going to go ahead and create an any mail finder account. I'll get to you the URL real quick. It's just anymailfinder.com. You can sign up with a free 3-day trial, and then you can cancel it so you don't get charged if you don't actually need it beyond this tutorial. But what this app allows you to do is take the company and name of a person, and it will give you an email for that person that is either partially verified or verified. So we're going to go back to our bots, and you're going to create your account on any email finder and then connect it here to Zapier. Once you connect it to Zapier, we can go ahead and under company name or website, we're going to have AI generate a value for that field. And for person name, we're going to have AI generate a value for that field. So we're going to have the AI bot automatically enter the name that it finds in those two specific fields. And we're going to go ahead and click update action. And then the next step is creating a message that is going to be sent to those users, or we can create email drafts for those specific people. So I'm going to pause and write a little prompt for that. I've written instructions that say to first get email address of all the people, then create email drafts in Gmail that pitch our product for each of the emails you just found. Make sure the email is personalized based on the company they work for and their job title. Our company is an agency that helps automate marketing for B2B marketing teams. We can help set up AI automations for the company. Be sure to ask to schedule a phone call as the CTA of the email. Now, of course, we could add a lot more information about what we want in this email. We could have examples. We could give it more specifics, but I just want to set up a really basic automation and see how it does. And then I'm at the end saying, remember, just create drafts, don't send emails, because I want to then go in and look at my drafts and then send the ones that I want to send. So we need to add one more action. We're going to go ahead and click add action, Gmail, and we're going to say Gmail create draft. And then for the subject and to and body, we can just have AI generate fields for all of those and click add action. Okay, great. So we have our trigger phrase of draft emails. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and enable this behavior. So then we're going to go to LinkedIn and I'm going to show you how this can actually work. So on your screen now is LinkedIn. I searched B2B marketing and I just looked up people, and these are just random people that are in the B2B marketing industry. So obviously you could do a lot more work to target people more specifically. But what I'm going to do is make sure that I'm on my bot that I want to be on, test bots. That's the bot that I've been working on. And then let me just give it the command draft emails. And let's go ahead and click send. And first, what's happening is it is running the behavior email extractor. So at first it's going to, it's telling us what it's doing, which is really cool. So first it's extracting the necessary information from the page, which is getting the name, job title, and company. Then it's getting their email address. Then it's going to draft the personalized email. So we can see it's going through the page, and this is the first person. And here we go. He's here on the right side, job, and it's getting the company as well. So it's getting all of the information about these specific people just straight from our LinkedIn page. So it finished getting all of the emails, and now what it's going to do is send those Gmail drafts. So it's determining the next step, and it's thinking, and then it should be sending those email drafts soon. So I'm just going to go ahead and pause and let it go through the workflow. So here I am in my Gmail drafts, and we can see that the AI bot created an email draft to all of those users with the emails that it received from the connection to the email finder. And you can see that in each email, it specifically mentioned the company. Now, one thing that I would do to improve this automation in the future is go into Zapier Central and tell it to personalize the subject line and personalize the actual email to kind of speak to what our solution is going to do, specifically knowing what the company is that we're speaking to. I would also include the company or agency name that you're emailing from, so it doesn't do anything like this, where it just says your agency name or your contact information. And that can also be solved by adding in example emails below the actual prompt to give the AI more context on what you want it to do. One other thing to keep in mind is when you run your automation through the Zapier Central Chrome extension, I believe you need to leave it open until it's completed the entire automation and actually created the drafts. Because I tested it out first by closing it out before the actual automation was finished, and it didn't create all of the drafts. I hope this was a helpful overview of how to use Zapier Central to build a sales prospecting AI agent. If you have any questions at all, please just let me know, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more free content like this in the future. And if you want to take your AI and no-code skills to the next level, check the link in the description to go to No Code MBA, an AI and no-code learning platform with over 60 in-depth courses teaching you how to use no-code and AI tools. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.